Former Minister Carlos P. Romulo once said in his book titled Mother America, A Living Story of Democracy, page 59. It states, and I quote, "The fact remains that the Igorots is not Filipino and we are not related." Ang sabi po ni Carlos P. Romulo, na lolo ng ating kasama at kaibigan na Congressman Roman Romulo, na mga Igorot ay hindi Pilipino, and for that matter, pati na rin yung ibang katutubo na hindi nasakop ng Kastila, they are the only ones who were able to preserve our culture, tradition, and religion. Dahil sa kanilang paglaban sa kolonisasyon ng Espanya, that made them preserve their identity. This original culture, tradition, and religion could have been the culture, tradition, and religion of this entire nation had it not been disrupted